Hi there, students. All bark and no bite. Okay, this is a nice little metaphor. This we used to talk about somebody who is always threatening things. They're always saying, I'm going to call the police. I'm going to do this. But in the end, they never do. Yeah, all bark and no bite. Yeah, often somebody who's aggressive, but they never combative. Yeah, this is somebody who's all bark and no bite. They threaten to do things, but they actually never end up doing them. So they're full of big talk, but they lack power. Yeah, so he's all bark and no bite. Maybe you can have a committee that's all bark and no bite, and they're always saying the things that they're going to do, but they never actually do anything. So if you're all bark and no bite, you're full of talk that it's threatening, it's impressive, but it's not actually something that people are going to do. So he always says, if your dog comes into my garden again, I'm going to call the police. But, well, this is another of these questions of all bark and no bite. He's actually not going to do it. He's always talking about how famous he's going to be and how much money he's going to be and what a big star he's going to be. But, well, I think he's just all bark and no bite. He's living in some sort of dream world about this. Or somebody who's really very intimidating. Yeah. But actually, when you get to know them, they're just all bark and no bite. They're actually underneath a really nice person, and they wouldn't hurt a fly. Yeah? So this is the idea. I've also seen the phrases all hat and no cowboy as well, which I thought was quite a nice phrase. But yeah, there are lots of people, well, most of us are all talk and no action. Yeah, so, well, they keep threatening to do things. So if you look at the origin, this is like a dog. A dog barks, whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah, so the dog is always barking at you. It's threatening you. It's being really aggressive. But then again, at the end of the day, it never bites. Yeah, so it's all barking, threatening, but actually no bite. It never actually ends up biting you. And this is the idea of all bark and no bite. Yeah. Somebody who's maybe rather rude, who's very aggressive, but actually when you get to know them, well, they're just all bark and no bite. They're always threatening to do things to you, but it's not actually really true. It's just threats and no more. Yeah, they never end up taking action about their threats. Yeah, they're not going to follow it up with action. So it's somebody who's really threatening and aggressive and appears to want to fight, but at the end of the day, they never fight. They never actually get into it. Yeah, so I'm sure you know people who are all bark and no bite. Yeah, they're verbally very threatening, but they never actually do anything significant. Yeah, I think all bark and no bite works to a certain degree, but from time to time you need to make an example of someone. Yeah, so somebody who talks really tough talking, but they aren't actually really tough at all. They're really quite a gentle person. Yeah, all bark and no bite. Yeah, maybe all mouth and no trousers. I've heard that phrase as well. Yeah, somebody takes a threatening or a boastful posture. Yeah, but there's actually no substance behind it. Yeah, this is all bark and no bite. Yeah, somebody who's always getting angry, always shouting, I'm going to do this to you. But, well, they're all bark and no bite. They look impressive, it sounds impressive, but at the end of the day, nothing. So, what about formality? I think I'm going to give this a 4 in formality. Yeah, somebody who's all bark and no bite. They're always threatening. 4 in formality. Use informally, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, just about. Yeah, but certainly no more than that. And the origin, as I said, this dog that's always barking at you, saying it's going to bite you, but it never actually does. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. All bark and no bite.